The Akatsuki is a mysterious organization, comprised of a dozen or so shinobi. Every one of its members is listed in the bingo book as ruthless S-rank criminals. Of those who have been identified, one is Itachi Uchiha of the village hidden in the leaves, a man who annihilated his own clan in a single night.
I underestimated him. Itachi Uchiha. He's clearly very different than all the others.
Itachi Uchiha.
From your appearance, I wouldn't expect physical attacks to be of use against you. However, I have other methods.
The man who can burn fire itself. You are a nuisance, as usual.
This is a true bond between the brothers of Uchiha!